Hey, little guy.
Salem,
Salem,
go play.
go play. Look, run. There's all the snow and ice. He just wants to eat ice. Oh my God. Salem, go, come on. Look, there's ice over here and ice over there. I'm gonna eat it all.
Please do.
Yeah. Some people get a goat to mow their lawn. We have a dog to plow the driveway. Alright, I thought we were gonna get romping and playing, but instead we get grazing. I got nothing.
Salem, Salem.
What? Whoops. There we go.
Go get it.
Run, run, run. He's like, I'm not a retriever. That was the last dog. Oh, happy dog! In case anyone's wondering why this picture keeps disappearing, I am holding a door open. This is very interesting. He doesn't weigh enough to get through the crust of ice.
No, he doesn't.
He's just a little guy. Oh my God. Alright, dog, quit eating all that snow.
Salem. Salem, go run around, go play.
He's like, what? There's ice. Alright, that's probably it. Yeah, that's it.